Hi guys, welcome to Curly Tales. This is the first time that Sunday brunch is going online. Now, so far we've interviewed so many celebrities, but that has always been me having lunch or brunch with them. But this time we're doing something different. We are going to be inviting a guest with us online. It is Ali Fazal. He's going to join us live in just a bit.
Hey, hi.
Hey,
Wow. How's it going? Can you see me properly and hear me?
yes, I can. I can.
Okay.
How's it going with you, Ali? Being at home?
It's going, यार मतलब चल ही रहा है ना सबका. It's a bit overwhelming and a bit new and a bit scary and fun at the same time, but like not fun for everybody. It's just that you have to make it because otherwise you lose your, sanity. तो ऐसा interesting
काफी
time है.
सरप्राइजिंग है. इट्स नॉट न्यू फॉर यू दो. आपकी मैंने वो सीरीज देखी है और रादर योर शो हाउस अरेस्ट.
Yeah, yeah. Listen, that's another ball game altogether. Okay, like the moment it's voluntary, it's okay. The moment it's involuntary, ना सारा पूरा upside down हो जाता है.
दैट्स
So
ट्रू.
right
दैट्स
now
ट्रू.
is full jail feels. मतलब ऐसा मैं पोछा भी लगा रहा हूँ और खाना भी बना रहा हूँ और my expression is priceless when that happens.
इट्स अ गुड थिंग. काफी अच्छा एक क्रैश कोर्स हो रहा है घर के कामों में. कुकिंग, झाड़ू पोछा, सारा कुछ.
Yeah, it's total survival, but I think my boarding school mode is on, so that has somewhere helped. So it's good. It's just been a long time since I did this.
या व्हिच बोर्डिंग स्कूल डिड यू गो टू?
I was in Dehradun. I went to Doon school, so
ओह वाओ.
so yeah, we used to go trekking a lot that time in the mountains. So I remember, shacking up in tents or in some places where there used to only be like open kitchens, and we used to have rucksacks and surviving for days, on these expeditions and stuff. So
बट आर यू फॉन्ड ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग, Ali? Do you enjoy traveling?
I love traveling, यार. मतलब ऐसा, I'm a total recluse or I love just being outdoors. तो वो phases होते हैं
अच्छा.
साल में, I think, uh,
तो अभी जो
yeah.
आपकी करंट सिचुएशन है आपके फेस के हिसाब से, इज इट मैचिंग? वुड यू रादर बी आउटडोर्स और आर यू हैप्पी बीइंग एट होम राइट नाउ?
I'm kind of, see, actually, first 10 days I was desperate to get out, but now I'm like a little comfortable. Huh? I've got things to do. I'm alone in the house, and yet I'm like, मतलब दिन निकल जाता है, and I'm like, shit, काम नहीं हुआ पूरा, yeah, I couldn't do this and I couldn't do that because I'm meditating a lot. I wake up really early in the morning, so I sleep also early. Uh, yeah, मैं तो
वाओ.
5 बजे उठ जाता हूँ, 4:30 5 बजे, but
ओ क्यों
yeah,
इतना जल्दी? और सोते कितने बजे हो?
तो मैं ऐसे 10 बजे सो जाऊंगा होपफुली, और 11 बजे मैक्स, बट आई हैव टू गेट 6 hours एटलीस्ट. या
ओह वेरी गुड. मतलब आप काफी
हाउस
एक, डू यू ऑलरेडी हैव सेट अ रूटीन फॉर योरसेल्फ इवन इन दिस क्वारंटाइन पीरियड?
या यू हैव टू, अदरवाइज this you lose your sanities. Yeah, I don't know, I'm sure you're doing it. What are you doing? Are you where are you exactly right now?
No, to be honest, I've been trying to set a routine for myself, but every day has been very different for me. And
Yeah.
you're right, घर के काम भी काफी busy रखता है, and then you realize, oh God, आज तो काम हुआ ही नहीं. So that's been happening very frequently.
Oh God, but you look, अरे यार, you look तो perfect, मतलब amazing, ऐसे dressed up and
हाँ,
all.
वो
Yeah,
मैंने
properly.
आज मैंने बहुत दिनों बाद मेकअप किया है. और मैंने घर के कपड़े नहीं पहने हैं. आई हैव बीन इन माय
Wow.
pajamas for the last 1 month, which I love. It's because a lot of people are asking, your performance in Mirzapur has been really
Listen,
appreciated, and people are asking, when is it releasing
I'm
the season 2?
listen, it's become my nemesis now. No matter what I do in my life, मतलब गाना तो चलो हाँ एक ऐसे ही निकाल दिया हम लोगों ने आज, but मेन मुद्दे पे आओ. When is Mirzapur releasing? I think that's there.
But what about food, Ali? Have you been cooking at home? And what do you cook?
Yes, I have been cooking. See, there's a reason why I don't put up my photos, because it tastes good, but it does not look very good. And I'm very envious of people, especially like Richa and all. To matlab, she makes it well, and she does the whole presentation and all, and clicks it and posts
Yeah.
it. So I was telling her the other day, I said, not fair, man. Like, I can't. My food looks like ऐसा कोई हैवान मतलब जेल से निकला है. um,
There's only
but
one simple trick to it. आप किसी भी डिश के ऊपर धनिया डाल दो. It
that's
starts
right.
looking nice.
Yeah, you're right. I've learned that with my roasted potatoes I made the other day, and I just sort of sprinkled some dhania, and so that kind of looked
Good,
nice. I
good.
made Karela. I'm a big fan of Karela, so I can
Nice.
crack that. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, from what I know, और सूत्रों के अनुसार मुझे ये खबर मिली है कि आप जेवियर्स कॉलेज के फॉर में अपना गिटार स्ट्रम करते थे. Is that true?
Where did you hear that? Wow.
My-
Yes. Xavier's के हॉल में मैं था.
Oh.
गिटार मुझे याद नहीं मैंने वहां प्ले किया था या कहाँ किसी कोने में बैठा रहता था मैं कभी कभी. But I was never an ace player. In fact, you'd be surprised. I learned how to play amateur guitar because I got the movie Three Idiots. So, because of Three Idiots, I literally went day and night. So even on set, I remember when I was shooting, I was like I couldn't look up and leave not looking at the chords because I was not good. And I remember Amir Bhai came and he said that, just forget about the chords. Just use common chords and just sing, man, like let go. And that's what I did, and it worked. And, of course, after that, all my music friends like gave me full galis. So,
But is that on your to-do? Do you want to learn a new talent of, maybe singing or learning a new instrument or?
yeah, for sure. I think that's that's the idea. I'm actually learning a language right now. I'm learning French.
Okay.
I'm also trying to learn. The guitar has always been on my head, but I think I get more motivated when a movie is happening and when a movie requires me to learn something. I just get charged up. So I'm one of those lazy actors who needs that little motivation. But right now I'm reading a lot. I'm just constantly reading. So language is one thing that I'm definitely gonna.
And you can get some online lessons, and it's easy to do it, using technologies. That's a good thing.
Oh yeah. I think this has become the new normal, right? Like suddenly we're
Yeah.
on sliced out screens.
Yeah, and it's amazing how, necessity is the mother of invention, they say, and how we've just learned to be self-sufficient with whatever is available for us.
My God,
It is. I mean, it's something that neither me or my parents have experienced before, So when you hear of things like ye pehle bhi ho chuka hai and you will get, things will get back to normal, you are often wondering, I mean, what kind of a world are we living in? Suddenly you're locked up in, you've never heard of something like this happening.
Yeah.
So it is a bit scary, but if you ask me, I feel like nothing is permanent and we will all get back to normal. It might take a little longer, but I think things will get back to normal at some point.
I hope so. It's just they've really played on the fear, and I think it's gonna take a while till people start socializing. I think even when this gets done,
Yeah. Or
OCDs
even
are gonna
traveling for that.
skyrocket. What?
Huh, sorry?
No, I was saying OCDs are gonna skyrocket.
Yeah.
Especially with artists and stuff, it's gonna go crazy. So
Definitely. Okay, so tell me, let's talk about travel as well, which has been your favorite destination so far. In India and internationally.
So internationally, it's been Turkey because I think, and even though I could not even cover Turkey, I literally went to Istanbul, but I had such a beautiful, very spiritual journey, and of course lots of food because it's famous for food. I was with Nusrat, that guy, the whatever, what's his name? Yeah. And went to his original restaurant in Istanbul, and then of course the baklavas and everything, and it was
Oh,
a lot of
nice.
debauchery
Okay.
of that, like food debauchery happening. But in India, I think one of my all-time favorite places has been Kochi. Kochi and Pondicherry. Like, I'm just
Oh,
I'm obsessed with those two places. I just feel there's something very, it's something very. I can smell the ground, and I still remember. I know the smell of that mitti.
Wow.
I,
Okay.
yeah, it's
Yeah, I
beautiful.
haven't been to Pondicherry yet, but it's on my bucket list. What is it that you love about that place? Is it more, are you more of a beach person?
I like the beach a lot. Yeah, I love the mountains, I think, more. Um,
Okay.
because I've spent all my school life, like, just climbing, being around all that, and I miss that a lot. Uh, but
Yeah.
Pondicherry, because Pondicherry has a very dual thing. There's, it's literally two cities together in one, because
Right.
half of it is like a French colony and half of it is
Yeah.
like, Portuguese. So it's weird. And then there's Oroville, which goes into this very nice little separate entity. Uh, I also sound like one of those, matlab aise I'm not a yogi or anything, but nahin, I don't mean to sound, all spiritual and everything. But I guess everybody is, introspecting these days. But
Yeah, but Ali, what kind of a traveler are you? आप जाते हो, so is sightseeing big on your agenda, or do you like to park yourself एक hotel में check in करके बस chill करना is your attitude when you travel?
I mean, depends, like a place like Turkey, like I can't stop sightseeing, right? It's just the
Yeah,
beauty is in that. Um,
true.
and of course I'm a history student, not a history student, but I'm a history lover, and I love history, and so therefore that it like fascinates me a lot. But after all that, I'll sit in my room and then sort of, not room, but maybe find a nice, like, I love finding the personal spots that every city has,
Yeah.
and every city has
Okay.
that in the world, and where people go and just chill, like there's a German bakery in Rishikesh, and there's,
Yeah.
your I don't know, Pondi has other places, Kerala has, I mean, so many places. Yeah, it's just um so you'll find me in those nook and corners, in those public places there. Yeah.
Okay. What about you and Richa? Are you guys travel compatible?
Oh, yeah, 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 totally. I think I couldn't have found a better travel partner. She is. We actually, the last I think we went was, actually, she came to London while I was shooting recently,
Okay.
because I was stuck there for like 4 months on a film that I was
Yeah.
filming there
Yeah.
last year. And even then, in those 4 days, I had a holiday. I took off from the shoot, and it's just easy, man. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, she's very easy and easygoing, and quite chill. She
Okay, that's a
plans
good
very well.
thing. That's a good thing because a lot of couples have like different things on their agenda, and it can get tough.
Yeah, it can. I can totally imagine that, because sometimes this happens with me and my like guy friends a lot, which is weird.
Oh, is it?
Ulta.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So, oh,
ठीक है.
Acha, you
Let's play a
open the
fun game.
comments. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lots of thumbs up coming in. A lot of people calling you Guddu Bhaiya.
yeah, yeah. Totally, totally. It's just, listen. I don't know when Mirzapur is coming, guys. Please ask. In fact, bombard Amazon's account, Amazon Prime's, because they are totally responsible for that. Yeah. Even Netflix is
Yeah.
trying to ask the same question. So
Yeah, looking
anyway,
forward to it. Yeah, a lot of people are looking forward to it.
yeah, I can see that. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to play a fun game, Ali. Okay, it's called I Have and I've Never and Never Have I. Okay, so you have to answer this. And
Okay.
simple question. First one, have you ever stolen anything?
Oh, yeah, yes.
What? Please elaborate.
Oh shit, you can't do that, yaar. Okay, okay, I've broken into, and I'm confessing this in public. I've broken into somebody's house once, and I've done the whole tissue paper thing in their house and come out, because वो हमारी बॉल, जब हम क्रिकेट बॉल से खेलते थे ना, वो चुरा लेते थे हमारी बॉल. हम बच्चे थे उस वक्त. So when we grew a little older, then we, like, well, I'm saying we because there was another person. Um, uh, and I've also broken into a car and managed to actually have it started. I wasn't the one who started it, but we took a round and came back and parked it.
Oh my God. तो उन्हें
But
पता
stuff
चल
like
जाएगा किसने किया था.
है मेरा एक दोस्त है बहुत पुराना कल्प्रिट.
Acha. Have you ever had a crush on a fellow actor or actress? Of course, actress. Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah, of course. Yeah,
Yeah. We know one
yes.
name. Any other names that you would like to give away?
Shut up. Nice try. I actually, to confess, I did when we in fact started Fukre One. That's when I was in awe of Richa a lot because I was a
Yeah.
big fan, and so I had this tiny little crush. Not a tiny crush, actually, quite a crush, and I couldn't tell
Mm.
her till maybe the end of Fukre and much after that. We were great friends, but we never hooked up or anything like that time. So it was much
How
after.
long did you take, Ali, to confess your love?
Dude, if she's watching this video and you've put the comments off, matlab, one of us is gonna get lots of galis. She'll come after me. Um, no, I think yeah, it was quite a while, but we both of us knew, like how you asked, right? Like she's a great travel partner, and so
Yeah.
I think we bonded from day one. We knew it was almost like completing each other's. I mean, it sounds very cliched and all that, but it was that. It was all the things that the
So
storybooks and the
sweet.
movies are about. And I think, yeah.
That is really sweet. Okay, स्कूल में मार पड़ी है और किस वजह से पड़ी है?
किससे?
डिपेंड करता है टीचर से या किसी और स्टूडेंट से.
मैं सबसे पिट चुका हूँ. आई एम प्रॉब्ली द मोस्ट. या मैं बहुत पिटता था. So that's why in class 10th, I think I started boxing. I in school. क्योंकि I did not have coordination. So I used to end up like just वो 10 लोग हैं या 2 लोग हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था. I used to just end up taking pangas and then get beaten up and then come home with all this. वो जो सर्फ एक्सेल के एड्स नहीं आते हैं जिसमें बच्चे गंदे होके आते हैं, हाँ उसमें मैं होता था. And you just sprinkle a little like bruises. so, so that's my little story.
Have you been drunk and thrown up?
No, once.
Oh.
Yeah, but my family
Okay.
can't know. Shit. Oh no! I mean now they
Too
know.
late.
Oh.
Have you written someone a love poem?
Oh yes, I'm a romantic at heart. I think yeah, I think all the people who've known me and been with me, I guess, would have received something in writing a lot.
Oh, sweet. Okay. Have you ever forgotten an anniversary?
All the time, I guess, or I mean, even birthdays. I'm horrible with dates, but I almost have to tell people that I love that you have to forgive me when I do not wish you on your birthdays. I will love you till death, but these are things I can't. That pressure of वो नहीं हो पाता है. But yeah, mostly I do remember. I think anniversaries. Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
right.
3 musicians do you think that are fabulous?
3 musicians is got in India.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'm actually a very new and a big fan of Vishal now. I think that's been
Okay.
one beautiful find. And वो तो लखनऊ का ही है. मतलब I love him. हम लोग ऐसा randomly बात करते हैं. 2 महीने से प्लान बन रहा है कि मिलेंगे नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं. And then the lockdown happened. So he's my number one. Arjun Kanungo. I think he's amazing and very smart. He's really good. And Sneha Khalwalkar. I think she's
Okay.
she's fab.
Ali, you're from Lucknow?
Yeah, I grew up there. I was born in Delhi,
Oh, wow.
but I grew up in
Okay.
Lucknow, and then I left for Dehradun, obviously, because school.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So
Are you from
Lucknow is
any connections?
my mom is from Lucknow. So it used to be my nanny house,
Oh,
and I
nice.
have eaten
Same.
tunde kebab. Oh, is it okay?
Same. Nani's house. Yeah.
Oh,
Totally.
okay.
Wow.
So I
So
love
what about
tunde
Lucknow?
kebab. Mind
You have
blowing.
to you have to have my grandmother's Galavati kebabs then.
Oh,
I'll
really?
send them.
Okay.
personally get them the next time and I'll send them over.
Awesome, awesome. Looking forward to it.
Oh, sorry, one question. How did you find your way
Yeah.
from economics at Xavier's to American television? Whoa. How do you
That's a
know
good one.
exactly economics? Nice question. I've had a journey, a mixed journey. So my one answer to that is, that I think I went into theater at some point, and I've dabbled on both sides, in Hollywood and Bollywood. So it all started gradually. It's not a one, step wonder. So one day we'll chat aram se, and I'll let you know exactly how things came into my lap.
Okay, where in Mumbai do you live, and do you often indulge in street food by any chance?
Oh, all the time. I mean, I live in Bandra, so I usually go to
Okay.
like Hill Roads, and there's Elko, and the
हाँ.
chaat there, and a lot of interesting places. But again, like एक साल हो गया मुझे मतलब यहाँ रोड पे निकले हुए अच्छे से, because I've been traveling on shoots and stuff. Last year we were shooting Mirzapur season 2, and then I was in London for like 4 months.
Hmm.
So this year, your question was my movies that are lined up.
Oh yes.
Yeah, yeah. I'm looking forward to working on 2 movies this year. There's well, not this year. I don't know now if anything will happen or how it'll happen. We don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
it's a
because
bit
everything's
scary.
getting pushed and it's scary. But I was supposed to start, like, I was supposed to end my shoot today as we speak. Today used supposed to be my last day, and I was supposed to literally get ready because our big, wedding was supposed to happen or whatever
Yeah.
in April, but the whole plan got pushed. So yeah.
So what plans then? Have you figured it out? For how long is this going to happen? And is there an alternative there? Because weddings are special.
Weddings are special, but like I don't know what alternative. Yeah, तुम तो ऐसे बोल रही
Zoom, Zoom पे conference call पे.
हो. नहीं. I saw some news. Somebody got married on Zoom, and ऐसे पूरा मतलब
Yeah.
सब सारा चल रहा था. Oh, Akash Khurana is here. I just saw. Akash Khurana is a beautiful man. He's also a director. He's
Oh.
made Karma, Irfan Bhai ke saath.
Oh, okay.
And he is out to destroy this live chat. So I will hope that he does not reply again. There's some interesting stuff lined up, but like I said, in the new world, whatever happens, let's see. We'll find out.
Okay. Ali, wonderful chatting with you. Thank you very much for taking out the time.
Thank
It's
you.
back
Thank
to doing Ghar Ka Kaam now after we hang up.
Yes. Happy work to you.
Yes, and let's all of us listen to this new song, which is Aaj Bhi. Look it up on YouTube. It's been trending, and it's a beautiful song. Ali, thank you very much.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you. So nice chatting.
Thank you.
Take care.
Same. Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. Well, that was a fun chat with Ali. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and tell you that we'll be going live very frequently on our Instagram handle, also on our Facebook, YouTube, everywhere, where we'll be chatting with celebrities, asking them how's their quarantine period going on and what are the things that they are up to. So that was Ali Fazil. I think it was a great chat. Had a lot of fun chatting with him and got some insights there. If you guys have any suggestions, please write into us, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to Curly Tales. Lots of love coming in, lots of hearts I can see. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.